wrinkle-free, freckle face, and messy hair all serene. Original style and grace, like you've never seen. Confidence is at the base of this beauty that's inside. Even her chipped tooth has a place, and there's nothing to hide. She's a real girl with all the flaws. She's a real girl, but she's happy 'cause she loves the skin she's in. Love the skin you're in. She smiles when she sees you come walking down the street. Her eyes sparkle light, beaming joy from her feet. Her sleep plays hard as true, such a genuine girl. She's a rare breath of fresh air in this fake and artificial world.